There's no end in sight for home buyers with a low deposit, with the Reserve Bank standing firm on new lending restrictions. The limits were introduced last month to cool the housing market and require most buyers to have at least a 20% deposit. Georgina Ball has the story.
According to this Lower Hutt real estate agent, first home buyers are now going to all sorts of lengths to find a 20% deposit.
They are getting money from second-tier lenders, from parents, typically parents or family.
Just 6 weeks ago, the Reserve Bank's controversial mortgage lending restrictions came into force, leaving most buyers forced to find a 20% deposit.
For those people without the 20% deposit, they're locked out now. They have to do some saving, and the Reserve Bank is not going to let them off the hook, probably for some time. It may be a year or two or even longer.
The higher loan-to-value ratios are meant to be a temporary measure to reduce threats to the financial system caused by banks lending too much and by growing house price inflation. The Reserve Bank's revealed low deposit lending does appear to be dropping, but it's too soon to be sure the policy is working or when it will remove the restrictions.
Not really putting a time frame on it at this point. We're looking for the heat to be taken out of the housing market for rates of house price increase to reduce.
For some Kiwis, saving for a deposit now means an unexpected move back home to the parents.
We have this culture of leaving home at 18. I think we'll be looking more towards the European model where young people do end up staying at home with their parents for longer.
For those on the house hunt with a low deposit, the Reserve Bank says it could be 6 months or more before it's clear if the clampdown has done its job. Georgina Ball, One News.